Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have what you need, the Shortcuts app and an iPhone with shortcuts enabled. Start a new shortcut now, tap the plus sign and name it Low Power. This first step puts control where you can reach it quickly. Once done, make sure you keep the name short and obvious so Siri recognizes it. You want immediate access because enabling low power mode cuts background activity and extends runtime when you need it most. Next, search for the action called Set Low Power Mode and add it to your shortcut. Choose Toggle if you want one button to switch on or off. Choose Set to On if you want a one-way shortcut. You can add a second action to show a notification or to toggle Do Not Disturb. Once added, tap the play button to test. Watch the battery icon and check settings battery to confirm the change. If it fails, reopen the action and retry. Finally, expose the shortcut. Tap the three dots, then Share and Add to Home Screen. Pick an icon for quick recognition. You can also add it to a Shortcuts widget or assign a Siri phrase so you say, "Hey Siri, low power." Once installed, test from the home screen and with Siri. If the shortcut does not run, make sure Shortcuts has the permissions it needs. Restart the Shortcuts app or reboot the phone, and then retest to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.